Do-it-yourself swivel for acrylic pour painters. If you want to spin your paintings, you might be able to use something you already have around the house as a spinner. This is a plate that would be used on the top of a stool, inside a cabinet to rotate a round shelf. I'm putting 2-inch screws on these. They're machine screws, and I'm tightening up a nut against this bottom part of the mechanism. Once this is down and I'm done doing all of this tightening, I'll put just a drop of super glue on it. Now this is a 12-inch, and it has bearings that can be lubricated to make it move a little faster. I use oxygen cannulas here in the studio for a lot of different things. These are saved for me by a member of the family. I put the nipples of oxygen cannulas on these screws. I cut this off at about 3/8 of an inch from the nipple, and that gives me a nice area. The inside of this tubing has 3 ridges that run the whole length of the tubing. So I cut that off, and I can push it down on the screw, and because it's soft and malleable, I can actually thread this nipple down the screw, thereby adjusting the height and also adjusting for a good level surface. Another idea is a simple swivel like this. You can get these in lots of different sizes, and you can attach them to a block of wood on side, or a big one flat, and they'll do the same thing. Ball bearings can be lubricated, and it'll get you, using the blocks, it'll get you up above your art surface. Here is an old-fashioned Lazy Susan. Maybe you can tell by the colors that's from the 60s. I thought, well, I've had these around the house forever. And this is a cover that was on some baked goods I bought at the grocery store. I saved these. I never know what I might use them for. And here's one. If I put some silicone on this or some double stick foam tape, I can center this and attach it to this riser, and it will work perfectly as a spinner. Again, I can adjust the level by adding something underneath. This one happens to be beautifully level. My table's level, this container was level, and this Lazy Susan was level. Just a thought from Sedona Artist. Goodbye.